dancemoon JustHang Squeegee. It's supposed to be streak free. We're gonna test that in a second. I like this little handle that it has here. This allows you to hang it on your shower door or wherever you're deciding to use this. It's very, very soft and flexible. So if it falls, it doesn't feel like, it's gonna break anything. You can see it's kind of very, covered in plastic. This is very flexible here. So this is really good to clean. It does say dancemoon here. So we'll, I'll sort of show you on this door right here. We'll sort of spray it down. And I just wanted to show, yeah, that is pretty good. Definitely streak free. I could definitely feel, I just wanted to show, I'm very, very happy. Oh, yeah, and then once you get all that off there, there's like no movement of it because it is really sucking itself to the glass. So this is the dancemoon flexible squeegee. Even this is a little flexible here, but yeah, this is definitely something nice. And it, it has like a modern kind of design to it, so it would look good hanging in a shower. There you go. Just wanted to give you a closer look. I'm very impressed.